Hello my dear student, in this video I am going to show you how to add watermark in your video. This is our sample video we already added in our timeline. Suppose we add watermark in this video. To do this, go to Annotation tab. Here you see there are many types of shape available. We can select text or different type of shape. For this example, we select this shape. To add this, simply drag it into your timeline and scratch it a little bit. To change middle of this text, simply double click on this and type whatever you want. I type Austin Evans. Now I scratch it a little bit. Now over your mouse here and rotate a little bit. Now move it here and we scratch it a little bit more. To change this background of this shape, go to Annotation Properties. Here you see the blue color. Just click on this and select your preferred color. This time we add this color. Now we set our opacity 50. We can change our font by clicking here. Done. Now scratch this over this video. Let's play how it looks.
What it allows you to do is change the focus, the depth of field, and even the perspective after you take the shot. And here is the camera itself, which is actually bigger than I thought. There's almost nothing on here. There's a big touchscreen around back, a couple of buttons, and that's pretty much it. It feels...
So, in this way, we can easily add watermark in our any video. Thanks for watching.